guys, today I have a haul video to show you guys. What do you guys think about my hair? I colored it, not last night, the night before. Hold on, I need a drink. I'm so out of breath today. I'm just like... Anyway, yeah, I colored my hair a couple nights ago and I like it. I was just ready for a change. This is very close to my natural color. It was too blonde. I had bleached the shit out of the ends earlier and I had missed some spots, or like some spots I didn't leave it on long enough, so it was like a gross like orange color and I didn't want to tone it. Okay, so today we're gonna do a haul video. I'm gonna show you guys some things that I purchased recently. This is a couple of different trips. A couple. The things I'm gonna show you guys are like bread and butter shit to me. Nothing spectacular. I mean, one thing kind of is like, one thing is a brand that I've never picked up before. New with tags, which is cool. This is real life. I don't always find amazing things. I would say like 85 to 90% of the time, it's just bread and butter stuff, which is what sells for me. All right, you ready? Here we go. We're gonna try to go through this fast because I've got a lot to show you guys. Okay, so I have this Adidas sweatshirt. I actually bleached this myself. This is a size... Shitballs. What size is this? All this stuff will be listed in my closet, by the way. This is a size medium. It used to be navy blue, but I bleached it. I think I left the bleach on for a little too long because I wanted to be like navy blue and like the orange-ish color bleach, but I actually like how this turned out because it's like a really pretty mauve color. It's got the 3 stripes on the side. The Adidas logo right here. Looks like this. Again, everything will be listed in my closet. I'll just show you the ones that I bleached first. This is a Nike sweatshirt, size medium. It's a cowl neck. I have really good luck with these. These sell pretty quick for me. Looks like this. And there's the back. It is a Champion sweatshirt. Syracuse University, or Syracuse, is it University? I think it's University. This is a size small, again, one that I bleached. Looks like this. Ow, I just hit myself in the head. Got this Burton hoodie. If this was a few years ago, I would want to keep this for myself. I used to be the biggest Burton fanatic. I had Burton snowboards. I still do have a couple of Burton snowboards. But my main ride... that actually, guys, I haven't snowboarded. I didn't snowboard at all last winter. If you know me, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I used to be obsessed with snowboarding. I would go like 40, 50 times the winter, like not even joking. But yeah, then I started having a lot of babies and that kind of hindered things. But I'm for sure going this year. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. But yeah, anyway, I used to be like a huge Burton snob, but now my boards of choice, never summer. Love them. But anyway, this is just a really nice Barton hoodie. This is a size small. It is it a small? Yeah, so this is men's. So this would probably fit a women's medium. I found this fleece jacket. I've never heard of this brand before, Canyon Sky. It's a size medium. I just liked the print of it. I just thought it was very festive. I don't know. I like it. And then kind of similar to that, this is a Land's End fleece jacket. This is a size large, but again, I just like the print. I thought it was festive. I guess we'll just keep doing jackets. So this is Eddie Bauer. I love this color. This is a size small. Love it. Such a pretty color. It's got snowflakes on it. I don't know if you can see the snowflake design. Super cute. This Eileen Fisher sweater. This is a size medium. Oh, there we go. It's a V-neck and it has like slits on the side. See, this would be something that I would probably send to ThredUp, but ThredUp, holy shit balls, what the fuck is going on with ThredUp? I'm gonna talk about that in a Q&A video that I'm probably gonna film after this, because ThredUp, you messy right now, seriously. Victoria's Secret Sport, size extra small, little crew neck. I thought it was cool on the bottom here with the logo, how kind of like crisscrosses a little bit. And there's the back. North Face sweatshirt, size extra small. I have a shit ton of Victoria's Secret pink. A shit ton. I hit the jackpot at my thrift store the other day. And it's funny because the cashier was like, oh, I saw all that. I was going to go through and buy it all. Maybe I'll see what's left. I'm like, I bought it all. Sorry. Okay, so this is a size medium. This is super cute. It's just a crew neck sweatshirt with glitter. I don't know if you can tell but the pink is glittery and it's got glittery stripes down the side. Really, really good condition. What size did I say this was? Medium. It's definitely oversized though. Like this is definitely oversized. This is a size large. Really pretty color, V-neck. And we've got the pink logo on the side here. More pink Victoria's Secret. This is a size medium. Just a quarter zip sweatshirt. It's got pink embroidered right here and then pink on the back. I have one, same exact one. It had to have been the same person that donated it. Also a size medium, but in black and white. So this is black and the pink on the back is white. Some jeans, American Eagle jeans. I love selling American Eagle jeans. These are the super stretch high-rise jeggings, size 6. Really, really cute. Really good condition too. Got the raw hem, super cute. Another North Face hoodie. This one is definitely kind of worn, but I mean, like kind of faded, but it still has lots of life in it. This is a size medium. It just has like a rainbow kind of logo situation going on. More pink Victoria's Secret. This is a size extra small, just a little maroon, someone's yelling, maroon cropped sweatshirt. Got this Columbia jacket, just a brown fleece jacket. It says size small, but oh, it does say women's on it. I was gonna say maybe this is a men's because this is like kind of oversized for a small. This would definitely fit more like a medium. I will put measurements. But yeah, super cute. I might want to keep this for myself actually because I like it. I like it. So this was a fun find. The brand says family, friends, and memories. This is definitely vintage, but I just thought this was cute for the holidays season and perfect for a cat lover. I actually put that in my Poshmark description. Perfect. I can't purr. Perfect for a cat lover. Look how cute that is. It's got a kitty getting into some mischief, wrapping presents. Says, happy holidays, 'tis the season, Merry Christmas, greetings. Looks like that, and then it's just green on the back. So many videos I've talked about Victoria's Secret sizing and how off it is. Guys, this is a size small. This is not a small. This is not a small. Look how huge, I can't even, you guys, this is not a small. This is more like a large, and the friggin' tag says small. Like, how can I don't know. Somebody commented on one of my videos and said that it's because of how they like cut the fabric and how they cut the fabric, I think. I don't know, but this is like, there's no way. First of all, it's long, really long. That is not a small. This is like large, extra large. This is huge. Like, how can you be that off? I don't know. I mean, it's super cute though. And if you like it, I will make sure to provide measurements. This is pink Victoria's Secret. This is medium. This is like true to size. This is cute. I like the colors. It's a color block thing going on here. And then pink on the back. I got some jeans from Express. I usually don't pick up Express jeans, although I've had 3 or 4 pairs. I think it's like 3 or 4 pairs of Express jeans that have sold for me recently. And yeah, I guess if you pick up the right kind, they sell. So these are the Mia mid-rise leggings, size 4. I thought these were cute and they're in excellent condition too. Another bleached sweatshirt. This is Champion size large. It just has, I can show you, the Champion logo on the front. So this is more of like an all over bleach, not like a splatter bleach like I usually do. As you can see. Abercrombie jeans. I typically don't pick up Abercrombie jeans unless they are boyfriend jeans, or does Abercrombie have girlfriend jeans too, or is that the Gap? I think it's the Gap. Yeah, unless they're like, you know, a trendy style. These are the Harper super skinny jeans, size 27. And they're in excellent condition. No distressing, just a nice skinny jean. These are cut from the cloth. Again, another brand I don't pick up unless they are certain style or like a bigger size. These are kind of a bigger size, size 8. These are the Katie boyfriend jeans. Look like this with some distressing. My youngest is yelling at, looks like that. More jeans. I wish these fit me because these are actually maternity jeans, and these are the type of maternity jeans that I like. I hate the maternity jeans with like the fabric that goes over your belly. I talked about this in a previous video, but when I'm pregnant, I don't want, who's texting me? I don't want shit on my belly. Like I hate pants that go up over my belly. I prefer under the belly. These are the Maternity Love Story jeans, size 26. They look like this. See how they have like the stretching down here when most maternity jeans have like the panel that friggin' goes up here, and it's just like, I don't like that. But yeah, this is what they look like. A dark wash in excellent condition. I'm not really into flare leg or wide leg jeans, and that's what these are. Otherwise, I would keep these for myself. Like these are, it's a pretty big flare. But yeah, excellent condition. I was surprised to find these. I've never found J-brand maternity jeans. I don't think I knew J-brand made maternity jeans. Now onto the brand that I've never found before, Current Elliott. These are new with tags. These are the Debbie crop pants. Retails for $248. New tags. Size 28. Yeah, they're cropped. Look like this. They have zippers right here. Yeah, I have never sold this brand, found this brand, so we'll see how this goes. I feel like these would probably do better in like the springtime, so I don't know. We'll see. We're just gonna do a couple more things because this video is already kind of long. So this is a North Face hoodie, size medium. Oh, if I can turn it around. What the heck? There we go. Yeah, just a gray hoodie with purple zipper and logo. This I was excited to find. So this is an Adidas jacket. This is actually a collaboration with Pharrell Williams. Looks like this. Camo. We got the trefoil logo, the stripes. And then on the back, I don't know. I'm not familiar with this collaboration. It says, who hiking? Huh? Hiking? Who hiking? I don't know, but I looked up comps for this and they were very, very good. So yeah, pick this up. This is a size small, by the way, women's small. Yeah, really nice, excellent condition. All right, two more things. We got a pair of shorts. These are Levi's 501 high-rise shorts, new with tags, size 28. These are fun. Fun. Normally, I would not pick up shorts in the winter or the almost winter, late fall, almost winter time, but these were too fun to pass up, so yeah. All right, and then the last thing is this Patagonia T-snap jacket. This is a size medium. Looks like that, really pretty brown color, super soft. That is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you see anything that you like, check out my Poshmark closet because everything will be listed by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.